guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video today, so if you're new, please like, please comment, please subscribe, and I hope this video is very informal and it helps you, so yeah, keep watching. So this video is literally what it says, what the title says. It's me unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro Max and also kind of showing you, I'm also gonna set it up so you guys can see the process, what it looks like, and yes, from me unboxing it to actually setting it up. So just a bit of context. So yeah, this is my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. The phone that I currently use, or that I'm actually using right now to film this, is iPhone 7 Plus, I believe that's what it's called. But yeah, that's the phone I'm currently using, and I'm gonna decide I want to still keep it just to have like a backup. I just think that some things are best to keep separate, so I kind of wanted to, that's why I decided to keep this one as well. So yeah, I'm gonna be like transparent with the price I paid. All of that kind of stuff will be on the screen at some point in this video. I paid up front for it, and what I brought was the phone, obviously, and also the charger, because I don't know if you know, iPhone don't do the chargers anymore with the phone. They just give you the wire. I think that's to promote kind of different ways of charging, for example like wireless charging and Bluetooth. So yeah, I bought one separately, which was I think £20 for the adapter, because obviously you've got the wire. So yeah, so this is what the phone came in, this box with everything in it. I mean, this is my SIM card if you're interested. Yeah, I decided, because obviously I'm gonna keep this phone as well and keep that number as my like second number, so I brought another SIM card from O2. I previously was O2 as well. I just prefer their deals, and obviously I'll be pay as you go. I'll be paying £15 a month, which is 15 GB of data, unlimited texts and minutes. So yeah, that's just a bit of extra information for anyone who cares. So yeah, this is the charger I was telling you about, the USB-C power adapter, and I think it's quite new to Apple. I don't know if that's clear, but I will show it in the other view. So just so it's a bit clearer, this is the power adapter I brought from Apple's store in the accessory section, and it was £20. It's like this, and then you just slide it out and you've got the charger. And then I might as well show you, I got this, just a simple kind of clear case from Amazon. Don't know if you can see that, because I'm gonna like build my case collection. I just love phone cases, absolutely love them. So I just want to start simple, and then so it's just this clear phone case off Amazon. I think you've probably seen these ones a lot, but with like a black outline, because the phone, oh, you can see. And now here is the actual phone and what it looks like. So this is what it came in. It's quite slim. When I first got it, so I got it a few weeks, maybe like 2 weeks ago. But when I first got it, I was quite surprised because it's quite different from the previous one. I've actually got it, my iPhone 7's one, it's like this, kind of thicker, and if you compare the size, this is literally just the wire and yeah, the phone. So I will show you in the other view. So yeah, here is the case it came in, here's the phone, and I'm just going to unbox it here so because it's clearer. Yeah, so it just has like the phone in the 3D model. I think I'm using it upside down. And then I've already seen it, by the way, I've already opened it, but here is the phone, and oh, careful Ashley. So yeah, oh, it was upside down, my bad. So yeah, this is the phone. I just think it's beautiful. It's graphite, so like the darkest, I think this is the darkest color they have. and yeah, I just really like the look of it. I think it's beautiful. And then this is like to protect the screen. Obviously I'll take it off as I'm setting it up. This is the back of the charger. You've got the wire, and then you've got that stick thing to like get out your SIM, and that's literally it. So as you can see, like Apple have made it more simple and very like minimal. So yeah. Alright guys, now I'm going to turn it on, which I think this is the on button. So I guess I'm just going to hold it. Hello. Swipe up to open. Okay, I don't understand what that says. Okay, now I'm going to set in English. Guys, I realised I didn't give a formal ending, so I want to say thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. I'm going to do a video where I compare the two, because I found some interesting findings and comparisons between the two phones, and the jump has been huge. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, and please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.